Welcome to another new video tutorial. This is a quick video tutorial to adjust photo color with PhotoKaya software. For those who haven't installed the software yet, the download link of the software is given in the description. So let's get started. As this picture is very dark and the saturation is very high, first, we will take this clear tool once, click, then we'll merge it. Now we will click once on the auto adjustment tool. And to fine tune, adjust the opacity of the layer. And merge it again. Next we remove shadows from skin. Click once on this tool. Removing the shadows once more, then you can see that the saturation has decreased a lot. I am using this shine tool to enhance image shine. I will take a flattened image once more. Click once on the Smart Sharpness tool to increase the sharpness of the image. This is a quick video tutorial to adjust photo color with PhotoKaya software. For those who haven't installed the software yet, the download link of the software is given in the description. I will take a flattened image once more. To enhance the color vibration, I will click once on the color restore button. I will take a flattened image once more. We take a look at the before and after adjustment of the image, side by side. So friends, you can check out some more video tutorials on photo adjustment on our channel. The link is provided in the description box. Don't forget to give the video a like if you find it useful. Thank you all.